Tonga is braced tonight for a direct hit from a monster cyclone that is still intensifying as we go to air. And here it is. Satellite images of Cyclone Gita, currently a Category 4 storm, churning towards the island group, packing winds of more than 200 kilometres an hour. It's expected to grow to the most powerful Category 5 later this evening. Residents and businesses have been busy boarding up properties and people are being warned to go to evacuation centres. Schools and government departments have also shut down. Pacific correspondent Barbara Drever is in Tonga and she joins us now live. Barb.
Yes, well, we're really starting to feel the weather here starting to close in, and we are just hours away from being hit by the full fury of Cyclone Gita.
Tonga's bracing for Cyclone Gita, the biggest hurricane in the kingdom's recorded history.
That's the closest thing to the heart now, just make sure everyone's safe at home with my own families, but as much as I've got staff as well that I make sure that they all, I should be the last one leaving the building.
In less than an hour, the capital Nuku'alofa will be feeling gale force winds. A state of emergency has been declared. Residents are being urged to go to emergency shelters.
Whenever there's a situation where there's a potential loss of lives, damage to properties, illness or injury to humans, government can declare a state of emergency.
He tells his people not to take the cyclone lightly. He says people should prepare to protect themselves and their properties. By midnight, the centre of a forecast Category 5 hurricane is expected to hit the capital Nuku'alofa.
Category 5 means that the winds have reached 110 knots. This is around 220, 230 km/h winds.
Most Tongan homes won't survive this. Indeed, most structures are only built to withstand Category 3 storms. But the main thing is preventing loss of life.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not. Because remember, I believe in God, and that's Him coming.
Residents have spent the day preparing, buying emergency provisions like water, food and torches, and boarding up windows.
It's not like the first time it happens, so people here, they pull together and they support each other when tough times come. So it's very unique, the spirit we have of coming together.
The Tongan people are going to need every ounce of resilience and courage in the hours ahead.
In developing news, Police Commissioner Steve Caldwell has declared a curfew tonight from 9 o'clock until 7 a.m. tomorrow. Nobody will be allowed in and out of the capital Nuku'alofa except on urgent official business. The real concern, of course, is the impending high winds and storm surges. And because Tonga is such a flat country, there is a real fear for the 100,000 plus residents here. They are being urged to seek immediate shelter in evacuation centres, a lot of them Mormon churches and schools because they're very structurally sound. The Army has been delivering emergency supplies to those centres. It's now just a waiting game. Tonga, we're on high alert.
In Tonga, Barbara Drever, thank you.